So I want to actually go on vacation before I actually use these and put up a good review. Your bang for your buck with this is great. These held up very nicely. I brought all three of these on vacation. The smaller of the three was perfect for a carry-on. It fits in that perfect dimensions that they give you for all your flights. So this can go above. I put my kids' stuff in here, and then my wife and I actually shared the largest ones. So we had two carry-ons, or I'm sorry, two check bags, and then our one carry-on. The wheels, very smooth, didn't have any problems there. Glided perfectly across the airport, never had a hitch there. A nice feature is right here, there's a lock. The zippers go into here, and underneath is a little area with numbers, and you can put in your own code, and you can lock this up so that while it's on the conveyor belt at bag check, no one's getting into your stuff. Or if someone grabs your bag by accident and wanders off with it, then you don't have them getting into your bag with your personal belongings. I always just pack clothes, so that's not that big of a deal. But for some people, they put some type of good stuff in there and they may want it locked up. I love this navy blue and brown accent. It's a great look. All around, great product, and I would definitely purchase this again if I had to.
Okay. Recently went on a trip to Alaska. So 4 airports, rolling around some of the airports, putting on the planes, etc. They're not going to handle your luggage with a kit glove or like there's crystal in it. But you can see some of the scuff marks that were put on them. This is the set. I mean, it's just scuff marks. There's no dent damages, no roller damages, just some little scuff marks here and there. But I would definitely, no, like I said, no roller issues. They did great going back and forth, side to side. I would definitely buy this set again. It did great on our trip and we're very well pleased.
Okay, here's the lock. It's a little jiggly. I don't want to move it out of place all the way because I managed to pop it back into the little hole where the mechanism fits, but it has a lot of play in it, and that gives me some concern compared to the lock on another bag. Let's see, this one I haven't used. 2 different bags. This one does not wiggle at all. So this one is definitely got more play in it. Definitely askew. And this one does not move at all. This is the bag that I checked when I came back. There's like 2 little holes here. This side was out of the hole altogether. This side doesn't have any movement. This side does. So I'm a little concerned that if hit again, it will pop all the way off. So, jury's still out.
They all roll super, super well. Like, ow. Just barely push them and they roll. Little one. Second biggest. Biggest. Smallest. And they do have telescoping handles that lock in place. To different heights. Except for this one. This one's the only height. This and in between. And then we'll whip. This little one has lots of locking points. So you can go whatever height.
I'm gonna show you example of just on a carry-on because all 3 of them are the same color. This one is I already used. No scratches on this one anywhere, and it's pretty good. Really good rolly situation happening. The handle is nice. Yeah, so this is good. And then they all the same. So I'm just gonna show you on the carry-on. So has nice size to it, and it's in cabin friendly. You can take it with you inside. Yeah, so pretty good quality, pretty sturdy. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm pretty happy with the whole set. And it's super light.
And here they are, all 3 of them.
28 inch, 24 inch, and 20 inch. And they're very pretty purple. And there they are.
Although the lighter suitcases can get damaged and scuffed during the travel time, they are durable and sturdy. They are just kind of hard to clean just with a wet wipe. I would need a scrubbing brush. I mean, the dirt is coming off, but I would need to scrub it to get into the grooves because there are grooves. It's not a smooth surface. Otherwise, they are very durable and they've lasted several trips already.
So here we are. It is August 10th, and after 3 months, it has torn on the inside.